There are different types of supply chain models that are best suited for different types of industries, businesses, business models, and rotations. We start with the continuous flow supply chain model, which is a model that emphasizes efficiency, standardization, and quality control, maintaining high-quality outputs at low operational costs. This model is a traditional approach typically designed for industries with stable demand and high-volume production, such as pharmaceuticals, automotive manufacturing, and food service. The continuous flow model is characterized by predictable demand patterns that allow for steady operations, ensuring that production processes can operate without significant interruptions. It relies on a manufacturer producing the same good over and over and expecting customer demand will show little variation. Businesses using this model focus on maximizing resource use by minimizing waste and optimizing production to ensure that goods are produced seamlessly without delays, with standardized processes to enhance quality control and reduce production inconsistencies. The challenge with this model, however, is that it is highly capital-intensive and somewhat inflexible, with an added risk of misaligned demand which might lead to inventory issues. Examples of companies using the continuous flow supply chain model include PepsiCo, which is said to utilize this model to ensure a constant flow of raw materials to meet ongoing production needs, allowing them to efficiently restock their products across various markets without interruption. Another example is Toyota, which is said to be using the continuous flow model to maintain efficiency in high-volume production environments, ensuring that parts and components flow seamlessly through the assembly process. The next supply chain model we deal with is the Agile model, which is suited for businesses whose objective is to meet varying customer demands rapidly and efficiently, in business environments with somewhat unpredictable demand patterns. This model is characterized by adaptability that allows for rapid response to unexpected customer demand in order to avoid inventory issues of over- or underproduction. Real-time data is crucial for decision-making in order to meet actual demand, where collaborative planning and information sharing with partners is crucial to assist in streamlining processes and improving overall responsiveness. The Agile model is typically suited for industries with short product life cycles or seasonal demand patterns. Coca-Cola is said to exemplify agility through its ability to adapt quickly to changing consumer preferences and market demands. By leveraging advanced analytics and maintaining a network of strategically located manufacturing plants and distribution centers, Coca-Cola is said to ensure that its products are available when and where they are needed. This flexibility allows the company to effectively introduce new products and flavors in response to market trends. Tesla is also said to showcase operational agility by maintaining a highly integrated supply chain where many components are designed and manufactured in-house. This vertical integration is said to allow Tesla to quickly respond to supply shortages or production challenges. We move on to the fast supply chain model, which is similar to the Agile model, in that it is also designed to be highly responsive, prioritizing speed in delivering products to market, with the ultimate objective of getting products into the hands of consumers as quickly as possible. It primarily focuses on minimizing lead times, from production to delivery, in order to capitalize on opportunities in fast-moving markets, by reacting swiftly to market trends and consumer demands. This fast model is particularly beneficial for industries characterized by short product life cycles, high demand variability, and rapidly changing consumer preferences, where products have a brief period of relevance, such as fashion, electronics, and seasonal goods. It is particularly effective for companies that strive to capitalize on a trend, quickly produce goods, and ensure the inventory is fully sold while the trend is still relevant. Examples include Zara, the fashion retailer. The company is said to design, produce, and distribute new clothing collections in a matter of weeks, significantly faster than traditional retailers that may take 6 months or longer. This agility allows them to respond quickly to fashion trends and consumer demands, ensuring that its stores are stocked with the latest styles. Adidas is also said to employ a fast supply chain model to keep up with the dynamic nature of the sportswear market. The company is said to regularly update its product lines and leverages advanced delivery systems to quickly bring new footwear and apparel to market. This responsiveness helps Adidas capitalize on fleeting trends and maintain its competitive edge. The flexible supply chain model deals with adjusting production volumes in response to changes in customer demand, in order to ensure that businesses can scale operations up or down, without significant delays or costs. This flexibility helps companies respond quickly to unexpected changes in demand or supply disruptions, ensuring timely fulfillment of orders. It encompasses the capability to rearrange and manage physical resources effectively, such as warehouse space and inventory layout, to optimize picking, packing, and shipping processes. The flexible model also offers the flexibility to change product design features in order to adapt and meet evolving customer preferences, which is essential for businesses that need to innovate frequently or cater to niche markets. Companies can switch between different materials or components based on availability or cost changes, which helps in maintaining production continuity while managing costs effectively, at flexible lead times, allowing companies to meet customer expectations for speed, without compromising on service quality. There are some drawbacks, however. The need for coordination among multiple suppliers and logistics partners often leads to added complexity, because relying on third-party providers for certain activities can introduce risks that are difficult to quantify or manage effectively. Furthermore, maintaining flexibility may require larger inventory or work-in-progress material stock, which can increase inventory holding costs. HP is said to implement a flexible supply chain strategy by utilizing modular product designs and maintaining strong relationships with suppliers, in order to quickly adapt its production processes to meet varying demands for its personal computers and printers. Nike is also said to employ a flexible supply chain model that allows it to quickly respond to shifts by leveraging real-time data analytics and maintaining close relationships with suppliers. This way they can adjust production schedules and inventory levels accordingly, ensuring that popular products are readily available. We move on to the efficient model, where companies competing in industries with very tight profit margins strive to get an advantage by making their supply chain management process as efficient as possible, by leveraging technology to optimize equipment and machinery utilization, inventory management, order processing, and fulfillment. The primary goal is to minimize costs at every stage, from raw material procurement to distribution, through optimal resource utilization, economies of scale, as well as employing precise inventory management strategies to ensure product availability while minimizing excess stock. Processes are standardized to reduce complexity and enhance predictability in operations, in order to achieve consistent quality and efficiency across the supply chain. Toyota is renowned for its efficient supply chain practices, particularly through its just-in-time (JIT) manufacturing system. This approach minimizes inventory levels by producing vehicles only when there is a demand, thereby reducing waste and lowering holding costs. Toyota's focus on lean manufacturing allows it to maintain high quality while optimizing production efficiency. Nestlé is another example that is said to operate an efficient supply chain by emphasizing cost control and operational excellence. The company is said to employ a centralized procurement strategy to negotiate better terms with suppliers and reduce costs across its extensive product range. Nestlé's focus on efficiency allows it to manage a diverse portfolio of products while maintaining competitive pricing. Some of the drawbacks of the efficient supply chain model include limited ability to adapt in response to market changes or unexpected disruptions, making it difficult to pivot quickly in response to new trends or customer demands. The minimal buffer stock and tight schedules makes it less resilient to disruptions. Furthermore, setup costs are often very high, because implementing an efficient supply chain requires significant investment in technology and infrastructure, which can be a barrier for smaller businesses. Standardization also introduces the risk of stifling innovation and customization, making it difficult for the business to offer personalized products or services. The last model we deal with is the custom supply chain model, which is a supply chain model that is highly specific to a company's products, services, and operational processes and needs. This is often necessary for highly specialized industries with high technical requirements, such as automobile manufacturers. It involves tailoring the model to meet specific customer demands and preferences, allowing for a high degree of customization in products and services. This model is particularly beneficial for businesses that deal with unique or individualized products, enabling them to respond effectively to varying customer needs. The custom model allows companies to offer personalized products, which can significantly improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. Customization also differentiates a brand in a crowded market, providing a unique selling proposition. Furthermore, the model allows businesses to adjust quickly to changing customer demands in order to allow businesses to remain relevant and responsive. On the other hand, customization often involves increased production costs due to the need for specialized materials and processes. Furthermore, the management of a custom supply chain has an added layer of complexity compared to standard models, requiring advanced logistics and coordination. Customization also leads to longer production and delivery times, potentially impacting customer expectations. Dell is a prime example of a company utilizing a custom-configured supply chain model. The company allows customers to build their own computers by selecting components such as processors, memory, and storage options through its online platform. This direct-to-consumer approach enables Dell to produce highly customized products while maintaining efficient manufacturing processes. Nike also employs custom supply chain model through its Nike by You program, which allows customers to design their own sneakers. Customers can choose colors, materials, and even add personal text to their shoes. This level of customization requires a flexible supply chain capable of adjusting production processes based on individual orders. What is evident here is that businesses can employ different models for different stages of the supply chain process in order to pursue the outcome that best positions them to operate efficiently and serve the needs of their customers in a superior fashion. This hybrid supply chain model is an effective strategy for businesses looking to combine the strengths of multiple supply chain models. Companies such as Zara, Coca-Cola, Dell, Nike, and General Electric exemplify how this model can be successfully implemented across various industries, enabling them to adapt quickly to changing market demands while maintaining operational efficiency. And that's it for Chapter 1 of our Data-Driven Supply Chain Management course. Join us in Chapter 2 when we detail a case study that we're going to use as a base for developing a highly effective, data-driven supply chain model of the future.